Welcome, everyone! In this video, we'll learn about performing IT general controls testing with the support of the Excel agent, focusing specifically on the test of design for a set of IT risks and related controls. For this use case, the test of design documentation will be completed in the design sheet in the workbook. I have already imported the relevant supporting documentation, and I've documented the procedures to be completed as part of the work paper. Now, instead of completing this manually, we'll use the Excel agent to execute the procedure for us. To begin, click on the Excel agent from the DataSnipper ribbon. In your prompt, you can simply instruct the agent to read the documented procedure and execute it. As shown on screen, the agent is currently thinking, meaning it is executing the documented procedure. Because as part of the prompt, we are directing the agent to follow a procedure documented in our workbook, it's important that the procedure is written clearly. It should be structured and specific, but not overly detailed. At the same time, avoid writing procedures that are too vague. The procedure you are seeing on the screen is just an example. There isn't a strict rule for how prompts must be written, so feel free to try different versions until you get comfortable and understand how the agent responds. Next, it provides a summary of what it will document and will ask for you to approve or proceed. At this stage, you should review the summary to confirm that all required steps are included. If it looks correct, respond with yes, approved, or confirmed, and the agent will proceed to document the results directly in the Excel workbook. You can also instruct the agent to edit the approach if required. While the Excel agent is running, let's quickly review what this use case requires. Our objective is to review the IT policy and validate key details, such as whether the policy is authorized, the last review date, and whether the policy content supports the described control activity. Based on that review, we will document a conclusion. We are also asking the agent to justify its conclusion, which helps support audit evidence and improves traceability. Once completed, the agent will provide you a summary on the work performed. It has now generated the related SNPs, which link the documented conclusion back to the source evidence. You can click into each SNP to review the extracted details and the agent's rationale. A key reminder, as part of this use case, we have asked the agent to justify the conclusion. The agent's justifications must always be reviewed by an audit or finance professional to validate accuracy and appropriateness. For example, in this procedure, we asked whether the control is industry standards compliant. Since industry standards is not explicitly defined here, the agent may provide a justification without referencing a truly authoritative benchmark. In such cases, professional judgment is required and the conclusion may need refinement. This is also enabled by our AI principle, human-in-the-loop approach, which are designed to support trust, control, and auditability. We ensure that you remain in full control of what the AI does, what it reviews, what it produces, and how it reaches its conclusions, so you can confidently apply professional judgment. A task that previously took around an hour can now typically be completed in about 15 minutes with the support of the agent. Overall, this approach allows us to complete ITGC design testing far more efficiently, so auditors and finance teams can spend more time reviewing evidence and applying professional judgment rather than performing repetitive groundwork. Thanks for watching this video.